In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in Gamma app pages. This process is straightforward and can make your projects more interactive and effective by directing users to additional resources, forums, or websites. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Gamma app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Gammas tab. This is where all your projects are stored, and it's essentially your starting point for editing and enhancing your pages. When you're on the Gammas tab, click on the project you wish to edit. This will open up the project page where you can start inserting links. Now find the space within the project page where you want to place your link. Click on this space to make it active. You're essentially telling the app, here's where I want the link to appear. Once the space is selected, the next step is to type in the command --button. This command allows you to add a button which will eventually be turned into a hyperlink. After typing --button, click on the suggested button option. This action brings a button onto your page, symbolizing where the link will be embedded. The next task is to input the actual link you wish to use. Simply type in the URL of the web page or document you want your users to visit when they click the button. Make sure the URL is entered accurately to avoid any broken links. Once you have entered the link, look for the check or save icon located beside the link. Clicking this icon will save the link to your button, securing this change in your project. After saving the link, you'll notice that clicking on the button provides a drop-down option. This drop-down contains several choices for editing the button settings. From this menu, you'll need to select the Link option to convert the button into a clickable hyperlink. This step is crucial as it ensures users can access the embedded URL via the button. Finally, it's important to verify that the link functions correctly. Click on the Visit Link option to test whether the hyperlink directs to the correct URL. If you followed all the steps correctly, this should lead you straight to the web page, confirming that everything is set up as intended. And there you have it, you've successfully added a hyperlink to a button within your Gamma app project. By mastering this simple yet powerful feature, you can significantly enhance the interactivity and efficacy of your projects. Thanks for watching. Happy linking.